Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try some art on this dry leaf. I was storing musk melon seeds for a long time, so today I'm gonna use it. Complete the heart shape. Next, I'll do some border designs. I have more than 100 videos on my channel, everything related to art, craft and DIY. So check out all the playlists. If you like the videos and my creativity, please do subscribe to my channel and support my channel. If you are going to try this idea, you can send your works to my Instagram account Creative Leela Rao. I'll share your works on my story feed.